Hello and welcome to another lecture of Master Computer Vision in OpenCV with Python. In this lecture, we will learn feature matching in OpenCV with Python. In this video lecture, we are going to see how to match the detected features of two images. We want to match features on base of their similarity. OpenCV provides us brute force match algorithm. This algorithm works. The BF matcher algorithm takes each descriptor computed for each detected feature in the first set and it is matched with all other descriptors in the second. Finally, it returns the match with closest distance. Okay. Now we start our code. First of all, import our required libraries: CV2, NumPy, Matplotlib. Understand? Okay. First, we read the query and see an image by using imRead function of OpenCV, and then display these two images from with the help of these two with the help of these lines of codes. Okay, run the cell and see the code. This is our query image and this is our scene image, and we want to first we extract the features of this image and then we match the features of these images. Okay, initiate ORB detector. We create an object of class ORB underscore create, which is already built in CV2. Run the cell. Now we detect the key points and compute the descriptor with the ORB algorithm. Okay, we use detect and compute method and pass our image underscore query. Detect and compute method of ORB underscore create class returns both the key points and descriptors. Okay, run the cell. Now we create BF matcher object. BF underscore matcher cv2.bf matcher and pass our distance parameter, our distance formula, and then cross check is equal to true. These details or descriptions of these two parameters are given above. Okay. In the next cell, we match descriptors. Okay. BF underscore matcher and call match method and then pass the descriptor of. Next, sort the matches in the order of their distance. Okay. Now we draw 20 matches by using DrawMatch function. Its first parameter is image underscore query and the second parameter is key points of image underscore query, and then we pass image underscore scene image and then its key points, and then we pass 20 matches 20 matched features. Okay, and this parameter is none and this is the color of lines which are connected. Features, color of single features, and flags is set equal to 0. Okay, run this and see the output. You can clearly see that the similar features are connected with green lines. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.